Hello everyone, I Shilpa Bhandari, Faculty of MBA Department from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic Voluntary Retirement Scheme, that's the approaches to deal with the workforce redundancy. So now voluntary retirement scheme is the most common method which is used by the organization to reduce excess manpower. It helps the employer not only to complete and survive in the current business scenario but also to improve his or her performance. So this scheme also becomes the prominent means of downsizing of employees in the organization. This VRS, voluntary retirement scheme, is also known by the names such as voluntary separation scheme or the golden handshake and early separation scheme. Though the criteria of this eligibility of VRS may differ from organization to organization, but it is given only to those employees who have either served 10 years of working or attained 40 years of age. So thus, the employees who opt for the scheme are permitted to get 45 days of benefits for each completed year of working or monthly benefits during the retirement time, which is multiplied with the service months that are left to before the date of working, whichever is less. So there are certain effects of VRS. It results in the reduction of the strength of employees, number one. Second, the vacancy as a result of VRS is not to be filled. And the third, the retiring employee are not to be employed by the same management again. There are certain, we have certain compensation for this voluntary retirement scheme, which is like not exceeding to 3 months salary for each completed year of service. Then salary last drawn at the time of the retirement, remaining month of service before retirement on the superannuation. So next we have the merits for the VRS. Like companies go for VRS to cut the cost. Tenured workers are likely to draw higher salary than young workers for the same position. Then another benefit is that VRS is lesser painful alternative to mass fringes to avoid involuntary layoffs. Then also companies can work efficiently as technology replaces the excess labor. Then another benefit that it avoids the labor unrest. Production cost reduces with a reduction in the labor cost. Then we have certain demerits for the VRS. VRS creates fear and uncertainty among employees. Sometimes the VRS benefits weighs more than the possible gains, and then trade unions against VRS may cause the disturbance in normal operation. So this was all about the voluntary retirement scheme. I hope you all understand about it. Thank you so much.